Good morning to you. Hot temperatures has been the story all week long. Notice here highs in the last week. We've just steadily increased temperatures all the way up till yesterday. Our high temperature hit 92 degrees. And as we go into today, we're going to continue to see some very warm temperatures. And the reason for this is because of this ridge of high pressure that is built in over us. It's really at its peak right now, and it's really keeping us at very warm temperatures and also very dry too. So dew points, this is low level moisture at the surface, going to taper right on off today. And so we're going to have very dry conditions. It's going to be very hard to see any rain or storm chances that are significant enough to really cool us off. So notice here, Stormcast not showing much throughout the morning hours. Seeing some clouds on the satellite and radar there and the Futurecast models there. But we get some small indications of some rainfall, typically to the south of Pueblo along I-25. They're very short-lived, could see some lightning involved with some of these storms. Not going to be a lot of rainfall today. That's not the story at all. Notice here by the afternoon, we're really not seeing much. The main story today really is going to be the hot temperatures and also the gusty conditions mixed with the dry conditions. We're seeing 20s and 30-mile-an-hour wind gusts along and west of I-25 there. And because of that, when you mix that with dry conditions, fire danger becomes a thing. So red flag warning today until 8 p.m. mainly west of I-25. So use extreme caution if you are going to burn anything. Really shouldn't do anything like that at all. High temperatures today in the 90s in Colorado Springs, 101 in Canyon City, 104 there in Pueblo and along the Arkansas River. Y'all, this is extreme heat. We're in a heat advisory until 8 p.m. and they're actually going to extend this tomorrow as well until 8 p.m. because high temperatures tomorrow are in the 90s. Almost copy and paste conditions. When you get this purple on the map here, that's some pretty good heat here for Colorado. 106 in La Junta, 108 there in Lamar. So very warm temperatures for the next 2 days. The good news is on the horizon is there is a breakdown in the pattern. Notice up here, this guy up here is a upper level trough. It's going to make its way into our neck of the woods here. We're going to start to get a northwesterly flow. We have been getting a southwesterly flow, bringing a lot of dry air in. So when we get that northerly flow of air into our neck of the woods, you'll see how it shapes out here. So into the weekend, notice tomorrow we're in the 90s and 100s, but the stair step down in temperatures in full swing. We get rain chances and storm chances back on the board. And with that, we get temperatures back into the 80s, low 80s for Colorado Springs. So a little bit below the norm there. Radar right now, though, very quiet, not much going on, nothing to cool us off at the moment. Here's Pueblo on the Discount Motors cam. No significant weather conditions to be noted on. 63 degrees there, so starting the morning pretty comfortable before we really heat up this afternoon. So here's a look around the region just to recap there. Hundreds across the board in Pueblo and Canyon City, into the 80s in Woodland Park. So very warm temperatures the next 2 days. If we can get beyond that into the weekend, things are looking nice in terms of temperature-wise, and we get storm chances back on the board. Colorado Springs, same pattern there too. And if we look extended forecast-wise to the start of next week, we're